The age of AI warfare has arrived. The world is witnessing a paradigm shift in military power, one that no longer revolves around traditional firepower alone. Instead, the newest and most advanced weapons of war are intelligent, autonomous, and powered by artificial intelligence. Nations are now locked in a technological arms race where AI determines who dominates the battlefield. But is the new era of warfare making the world safer or pushing us toward an unstoppable global conflict? Number one, the AI-powered battlefield. From science fiction to reality. For decades, AI-powered war machines were the stuff of Hollywood movies and dystopian novels. But today, they are real, and they are already being used in conflicts worldwide. Examples of AI in combat. Autonomous drones. In 2020, reports surfaced that Turkey's Cargo 2 drone may have independently hunted and attacked a human target in Libya without direct human command. AI-assisted fighter jets. The U.S. Skyborg project is developing AI-controlled combat aircraft that can operate as autonomous wingmen to human pilots. Robot soldiers. Russia and China are testing AI-driven robotic ground troops to support human soldiers in battle. AI in Ukraine war. Ukraine has successfully used AI-powered drones and surveillance technology to counter Russian advances, changing the dynamics of modern warfare. AI weapons are fast, efficient, and ruthless, but their increasing autonomy raises a chilling question. Are we heading toward a future where machines decide who lives and who dies? Number two, the new Cold War, AI arms race between superpowers. Just like the nuclear arms race of the Cold War, AI warfare is now fueling a global race for dominance. The United States, China, and Russia are pouring billions into developing AI-driven military technologies. Key players in the AI arms race. United States. The Pentagon's Project Maven uses AI to analyze surveillance footage and identify threats with machine precision. The U.S. is also developing autonomous combat systems like the Loyal Wingman program and AI-powered naval warships. China, Beijing military strategy aims for AI supremacy by 2030, with its AI super soldiers and autonomous war drones capable of carrying out independent missions. Russia, Moscow has tested AI-powered missile guidance systems and robotic tanks designed for battlefield autonomy. Russia has also invested in AI-driven cyber warfare. The question is, will AI warfare be a stabilizing force like nuclear deterrence or an uncontrollable Pandora box leading to devastation? Number three, the dark side, ethical dilemmas, and the rise of killer robots. As AI takes over military decision-making, the ethical implications are terrifying. Major concerns. Who is accountable when an AI-controlled weapon makes a mistake? Can AI differentiate between combatants and civilians? Should we ban fully autonomous weapons before they become widespread? The United Nations and human rights groups have pushed for bans on killer robots, fearing they will become weapons of mass destruction. However, the lack of international regulations has allowed AI warfare to develop unchecked. If we fail to act soon, will machines become the ultimate executioners, with no moral judgment or human oversight? Number 4. Future warfare. AI as a game changer or global threat. AI-powered weapons could revolutionize military strategy, making war more precise and efficient, but they could also spark unpredictable conflicts, cyber warfare, and autonomous arms races. Potential future scenarios. AI makes war safer. Smart weapons reduce collateral damage and limit unnecessary human deaths. AI triggers wars. Fully autonomous weapons lead to miscalculations and unintended conflicts. Humanity loses control. Machines make life or death decisions with no human intervention. Which future will we choose? Will AI in warfare be a force for peace or the ultimate doomsday weapon? Conclusion. A race we cannot afford to lose. The AI arms race is no longer science fiction. It is happening right now. Nations are competing for AI military dominance, and the consequences could reshape the world as we know it. The question is no longer, should AI be used in war, but rather, how do we control it before it controls us? What do you think? Should we regulate AI in warfare, or are we already too late? I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.